everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am coming with this super cute idea of making mini purse boxes for your small gift hampers. You can use these purses for the return gifts, for miniature gifts, and these are super adorable. You can just open it like this. This is having magnetic closure and you can put some small gifts inside this. I have put earrings, and here I have shown you 3 different variations of creating the purses in yellow, blue and pink color along with the paper quilling flower decorations. Isn't it looking very cute? So without taking much time, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking 21 by 21 centimeters yellow color cardstock, just folding it from center like this. First I am showing you how to create the basic purse structure. Burnish it nicely to create the crisp fold. Just rotate the sheet, again fold it from center. Burnish it using bone folder. Then from all 4 corners I am folding towards the center part. Like this. Then I have divided in 3 equal parts, so I am just folding these parts like this from all 4 sides. Then opening these 2 flaps, and we have to fold the corner like this from both the sides and just adding glue so that it will stick permanently. Repeating on this side as well by adding glue, and then folding the topmost part like this. Don't forget to add glue here as well. Now repeating the same process on other side as well. So the box kind of shape is ready. Now we have to just pinch it like this from both the sides, and it will automatically get the purse shape like this. Then to create flap, here I am taking this pattern paper which is 10 by 5 centimeters. I just folded it from center. Now adding glue on back side and connecting on one part of the purse like this. Then here I am showing you the magnetic closure. For this I am taking double-sided tacky tape, sticking one piece of tape on the flap and one piece of tape on the bottom. Removing the liner, add magnet exactly in the center. Then putting one metal coin on top of this. Removing the top flap liner of the tape and then just stick it nicely. So the coin will automatically get stuck with the flap like this, and this is working absolutely fine. Then we have to just cover these parts using pattern paper. and the top part I am covering using yellow color cardstock. And this is working perfectly fine. Now to create the handle of the purse, here I am taking 15 by 1 cm pattern paper, just adding glue and connecting one more piece of same size cardstock strip with this, then folding the strip from both the sides at 1 cm, add glue and stick on the back side of the purse. Hold it like this and this is done. So our purse is completely ready, and with the similar method I have prepared 2 more purses in blue color. And 1 more in pink color. All 3 are having magnetic closure. You can also use ribbons to close the purse or the velcro dots. Very pretty. Now it's time to decorate all our 3 purses with super cute paper quilling flowers. So I'm starting with my yellow purse flower decorations. So to create first big flower, here I'm taking 1/4 strip of yellow color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape. Now joining 5 teardrops together and wrapping this petal using white color strip. So the petal is ready. Then I am joining total 6 petals together to create the flower. To create the center of the flower, here I am taking 1 strip of orange color and making one tight coil and sticking it on top of the flower. So this is done. Now to create filler flower, here I am taking half strip of white color and making one tight teardrop shape. Joining total 5 petals together. And adding 1/4 strip of yellow color tight coil in the center. So I have created total 2 flowers. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and making simple leaf shape. And I have already created lots of leaves. Now taking back my yellow purse, first I am decorating the bottom of the flap using this beautiful border design in orange color. And then it's time to decorate the flap using paper quilling flowers. Then on the handle I am adding this beautiful yellow color ribbon bow. And then randomly decorating the both sides of purse using yellow color stones. And the super cute yellow floral purse is completely ready. Very tiny and very pretty. Now I'm proceeding for my second purse, that is the pink one. So to create bigger flower, here I am taking half strip of light pink color and making one teardrop shape. Then I am taking half strip of dark pink color and making one bended leaf shape. Then inside this I am sticking my teardrop shape and wrapping this whole petal using white color strip. So petal is ready. Now I am joining total 6 petals together to create the flower. And in the center I am adding tight coil which is made using one strip of dark pink color, and this is ready. Then to create filler flower, here I am taking 1/4 strip of purple color, making a tight leaf shape, just joining total 5 petals together to make the flower, and in the center I am adding white color tight coil which is made using 1/4 strip. So we need 2 flowers. Now to create leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and making one pointed teardrop shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves already. Then taking back my purse and I am decorating the bottom using beautiful border design. And then start arranging all the flowers. Also connecting the pink color bow on the handle, and then decorating the remaining part using pink color stones. And the super gorgeous second purse is also ready. Then I am proceeding for the blue one. So to create bigger flower, here I am taking half strip of blue color in 3 mm and making one leaf shape. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color in 3 mm and making one bended leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now joining all 3 petals together and wrapping this whole petal using purple color strip. So the petal is ready. Then I am joining total 6 petals to create the flower. And in the center I am adding big tight coil which is made using one strip of dark purple color. So the flower is ready. Then to create filler flower, here I am taking half strip of medium purple color and making one teardrop shape, joining total 4 petals together and making the flower, adding 1/4 strip blue color tight coil on this. So the flower is ready. Similarly, we need one more. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of light green color and 1/8 strip of dark green color in 3 mm and making one leaf shape. Similarly, I have prepared lots of leaves. Then taking back my purse, and first I am decorating the sides using blue color stones. I have already added blue bow in the corner, and then I am decorating with my handmade flowers. and also decorating the bottom edge using pearl chain. So this purse is also ready. So in this way all 3 purses are ready, and I am putting my handmade earrings inside the small yellow color purse. So you can put small lipsticks, small watch, keychains, earrings, small jewelry, or any kind of miniature gifts inside these super cute purses. You can even also put some small chocolates. And this is the super great idea for the return gifts or for some special gifts. And you can make in many different shades. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.